Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Jarvis Bay, Alberta. This small lakeside community sits right next to the town of Sylvan Lake, about 25 kilometers west of Red Deer. Jarvis Bay is known for its peaceful setting by the water, with quiet roads, beautiful homes, and views of the lake. Many people come here to relax, go boating, and enjoy the natural beauty of central Alberta. The area around Jarvis Bay has been popular for outdoor fun since the early 1900s, when Sylvan Lake first became a favorite summer spot for families and visitors from nearby towns. The name Jarvis Bay comes from an early settler family in the region. Over time, cottages and cabins turned into year-round homes, and the small community grew while keeping its calm lakeside charm. Whether you visit in the warmth of summer or the stillness of winter, Jarvis Bay is a lovely place to slow down and enjoy the fresh air. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Jarvis Bay, Alberta.